Switch mode. Before wiring the switch to the FORREST-SPI dimmer, you needed to set the control input via the Forest app. Connect to the device via Bluetooth. Press the control input menu. Press the button Change to switch. Return to main menu. From now on you can use the switch as a control input and proceed with the wiring. Wiring with the switch. Starting from the basic wiring diagram, connect a switch between the push-P and COM- terminals. Press the switch to turn the load on and off. In switch mode, dimming is not available. Wiring of a physical switch with the relay. Starting from the basic wiring diagram, connect one pole of the monostable relay coil to the neutral of the system. Connect the other pole of the coil to the system phase, interrupted by a switch. Connect the monostable relay output between the push-P and COM- terminals of the FORREST-SPI dimmer. Press the switch to start or stop the show on the dimmer FORREST-SPI. Wiring with pulse relay. Starting from the basic wiring diagram, connect one pole of the impulse relay coil to the neutral of the system. Connect the other pole of the coil to the system phase, interrupted by a normally open button. Connect the relay output between the push-P and COM- terminals of the FORREST-SPI dimmer. Press the button to start or stop the show on the dimmer FORREST-SPI. Wiring with the presence sensor. Starting from the basic wiring diagram, connect the monostable relay coil terminals between the neutral and the presence sensor output. Connect the relay output between the push-P and COM- terminals of the FORREST-SPI dimmer. When presence is detected, the show will be activated. When the sensor returns to sleep mode, the show will turn off. Wiring with the home automation relays with clean contact. Starting from the basic wiring diagram, connect the two clean contact outputs of the home automation relay between the push-P and COM- terminals. By acting on the home automation device, you can start and stop the show on the FORREST-SPI dimmer. Wiring with the home automation relay 220 volts output. Starting from the basic wiring diagram, connect the terminals of the monostable relay coil between the neutral and the output of the home automation device. Connect the relay output between the push-P and COM- terminals of the FORREST-SPI dimmer. By acting on the home automation device, you can start and stop the show on the FORREST-SPI dimmer.